Dozens of Americans have died as a winter storm brought frigid temperatures and paralyzing snowfall totals across the U.S. And officials in the snowfall totals across the U.S. And officials in the Buffalo area believe the staggering toll will continue to grow there as teams carry on with search and rescue missions. The nationwide death toll from storm, which brought more than 40 inches of snow to some areas, climbed to 49 on Monday, with 27 of those deaths in Erie County, New York. Buffalo Police Commissioner Joseph Gramaglia told CNN's Wolf Blitzer, "Unfortunately, they are still recovering bodies. Some died of exposure, and some deaths were due to natural causes," he said of the people found dead recently. The commissioner implored residents, "Stay home. Don't go out." He said emergency responders will go, and have gone, to homes without heat and take people to warming shelters. Too many people, including residents just going out to see the massive snowfall, are going out in their vehicles and getting stuck and blocking recovery efforts, he said. Erie County Executive Mark Poloncarz tweeted that 14 people in the county had died of exposure. 3 people were found in their vehicles, for had no heat. 3 were from shoveling blowing cardiac events, and 3 people passed away after EMS services were delayed. He told CNN that unfortunately it appears the numbers will go up. "I am aware of additional bodies that have been recovered and are being brought to our temporary morgue," he told the Situation Room with Wolf Blitzer. "We've had so many bodies that various hospitals are full and we're just having to go through and determine if the individuals have died from a blizzard-related death."